Hey guys, welcome back. Nifty 50 Index hourly chart. In yesterday's video for today, we predicted that Nifty is going to be in a sideways market, and that's exactly what we got. We touched a low of around 17,140, this intersection here, and we've rejected from the 260 high first thing in the morning, and we are holding right around the 240 resistance for the last few hours. All right. And I also shared the option strategies for a sideways market, which is a short strangle, and Condor, and butterfly, short straddle. Okay. And our VIX continues to drop. It's nearing 18% as we speak. So this was a quick update. And so good luck for the rest of the day and tomorrow. I will be posting a detailed video for tomorrow's analysis. So see you then.